In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on predictive text on your iPhone keyboard. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. When this feature is enabled, it allows you to use this prediction or suggestions bar to enter a text without typing it, just like that. And now I'm gonna show you how we can easily enable it. To do that, we need to head over to Settings. After that, scroll down until you find General. That's where we need to tap Add Keyboard. And here we can easily find this option, Predictive Text. All we have to do is just turn it on by tapping right here at that switcher. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.